Diwali. So without any further delay, let's dive into video. Alright, so first I'm going to remove my makeup. Sorry. What? Where did my makeup gone? Oh my god. I wish कि इस transition की तरह ही मेरा makeup remove हो जाता. But yeah, I just removed my makeup. Alright, so first I will be doing my eyebrows and the upper lips. And for that, I use Tinkle Eyebrow Razor. So this is how it looks like. बेसिकली हर एक पैकेट के अंदर 3 आते हैं और एज यू कैन सी इसमें सिर्फ 2 है क्योंकि मैंने एक ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर लिया है. सो दीज आर बेसिकली यूज एंड थ्रो प्रोडक्ट एंड मैंने इसके कम से कम 4 से 5 पैकेट ऑर्डर किए थे फ्रॉम अमेजोन. I will add the link in the description box of this product and I do not shave my face because of the acne and I also have the active pimple over here. So yeah, if you do have like active pimple or the acne, do not do it. Do not do it. Do not shave your face. So I just do this for my, I just use this product for my eyebrows and upper lips. So yeah, let's get started. So first I will be using the aloe vera gel on my eyebrows and the upper lips. Also I will be doing my forehead, so I'm going to apply the gel over there also. So this is how it looks like and it has a cap over it, so you have to remove this. And this is the blade. And I'm going to put the camera close to me so that you can see how I'm doing it. So yeah, let's start. To show you. So first of all, do not put lot of pressure where you are holding it. ज़्यादा pressure मत लगाना. And now we are going to do it. After you do your eyebrows and upper lips, you have to apply a toner and I'm using Bio Cucumber toner. It's very important to apply toner. After that, I'm going to apply the face pack and for that, I'm using VLCC Ayurveda Multani Meaty Face Pack. It's for all skin type and it also smells good. So जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है, I've learned a lot of things like upper lips, waxing. ये मैंने कभी खुद से नहीं किया है, मैं हमेशा पार्लर ही जाती हूँ करवाने. And I'm so glad कि ये सब मैंने खुद से सीखा because अभी भी safe नहीं है पार्लर जाना and to do all such things. In today's video, I'm not going to apply any hair mask on my hair because yesterday itself I applied it and I also have a video on DIY hair masks for frizzy hair, dry hairs, split ends or if you have a dandruff. It's a detailed video like how to apply. I've already added a link in the description box, so do check that video too. So yeah, moving towards the next step is the waxing and जब तक ये dry out हो उससे पहले हमें पूरा setup करना है for the waxing. So yeah, let's get into waxing. Starting with the waxing, what all you required is first is the wax ka dibba. Second, we need a wax heater machine and you can find it in any general store, which I got it. And this strips, and make sure कि ये जो strips होती है ना थोड़ी मोटी हो, पतली ना हो, जो कि इससे दर्द कम होगा ऐसा मुझे लगता है. Then and a knife. Before starting with the waxing, first I'm going to change my outfit and also I'm going to wash my face and yeah, I just come back. Alright, so I quickly changed my outfit and for the face right now I'm going to use this Pond's cream and whether you have dry skin, oily skin or acne prone skin or normal skin, to moisturize your face is very very important. From here. Ow. So I'm done with my waxing and now I'm going to moisturize my skin. For that I'm using Cafe Naked and Raw Coffee Body Polishing Oil. This is the first time I'm going to use it. It's not necessary that you have to apply this. You can also go with your regular body lotion, or you can even apply the coconut oil. Your body will get moisturized. It also have coffee beans in it. So I'm going to apply this on my hands and legs. Oh my god, it literally smells like coffee. So strong. Oh wow. If you're a coffee lover just like me, definitely buy this. So coming to the last step of this glow up for Diwali is the underarms. So basically I do not wax my underarm because I don't know how to do that. So I apply wheat on my underarms. I have been using this from before the lockdown. So yeah, so I'm just going to apply this on my underarms and that's all. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video very useful. Give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to share this video, comment down below if you want such more videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any videos of mine. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.